Yo, what it do? So why we call it the POV drive? Well, I figured I'd try to give you my point of view while trying to perfect the drive, you dig? Trying to perfect swerving in and out of traffic and doing it lawfully, following the rules. We're going to develop an app soon, but the goal is to make all of this a competition to see who could be the best point of view driver. Meaning avoid accidents, avoid tickets, avoid issues. You know, in South Florida here, they sort of forced it upon me in terms of avoiding tickets, but I'll take it. But it's a part of this targeting thing, which is another conversation. But I ain't got no tents on my car. I have no covering on my license plate. I'm just doing my thing, working on this social experiment that has to do with a potential thesis. And I'll give you a hint. It has to do with the response when a black man is wearing a mask. So, we've got some interesting data here, and we're just going to continue to expand upon it, and we're going to make this a dope experience, man, because, you know, you have to turn lemon into lemonade, right? Or lime into limeade, I don't know. Just turn the garbage into positivity. You know what I mean? So, thank you for subscribing to the POV Drive. And you can also submit your POV drive. We're going to try to see if we can get user-generated content, if that's possible. You know, or maybe it goes in a different direction. But this is a page starring your good friend here, the black guy with the mask. Matter of fact, the last black guy with a mask in South Florida. You dig? And I ain't taking it off of him up. You dig? We gonna try to get some lawsuits. We gonna try to antagonize. We gonna try to get on people's nerves and see what they do in return. And then listen, you tell me if I'm tripping. You tell me when things happen. Y'all listen. Y'all respond, and y'all take note, man. One dude on his POV drive. You dig? Yeah.